standard 7. I am going to start today chapter 1, matter and its composition. Dear students, let us know first, what do you mean by the term matter and the second term composition? So let us know the definition of matter. The substance which occupies space and have mass and also perceived by our senses. Are known as matter. Example: table, chairs, books, etc. So dear student, those substances which occupy space and have mass and can be perceived by our senses, can be known by our senses, can be termed as matter. Example like table, chair, books, copy, you and me, or other things in our surrounding, what you see, all are matters. Means the substance which occupies space and have mass can be termed as matter. For an example, you see book kept on the table, chair on the bed or on palm. It cover space or it occupy space and have some mass, known as matter. So all those substances which occupy space and have mass, known as a matter, dear student. Next is the term composition. What do you mean by the term composition? Composition means by which material or by which thing the substance is being made. Composition. Let us see with an example, air. Dear student, air is known as a mixture of gases. Air is made of the different type of the gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water, water vapor. So oxygen, water. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So, hydrogen and oxygen are the composition of the water. So now you came to know what do you mean by the term matter and second term composition. Next I am going to explain you how the substance occupies space. Let us understand about the matter with an example. Take a glass and half filled with the water. Till here water is there. Now put here few marbles. What you will see, the level of the water will increase. The level of the water will increase. Why? Because the marble occupy space. Marble occupy space, dear student. Due to that, the level of the water increased. And when you just measure it, or just you measure the mass of that particular marble, you will get some mass of the 100 gram, 50 gram, 10 gram. So those all substance which occupy space and have mass known as a matter, dear student. Next I am going to explain you the term. What do you mean by the term mass? The amount of the material, present in the body, is known as its mass. Dear student, amount of material present in the body is known as its mass. Suppose that in one bag 5 kg sugar is there. So what do you mean by the 5 kg? 5 kg mass. Suppose that my body weight is 50 kg or 60 kg. Then what do you understand by the 60 kg or 50 kg? Means 60 kg or 50 kg material is inside the body, and that is known as mass of that particular body. Mass is measured in kg. Mass is measured in kg or the kilogram, dear student. So now you came to know about what do you mean by the matter, mass, and about the composition. In the next video I will explain you about some related terms of the chapter 1, matter and its composition. So dear student, please you read the topic and learn the definition of matter and mass. Thank you, dear student.